You feel fine, maybe a little tired, maybe a little itchy, but nothing serious, right? But what if those strange little signs are actually whispers from your liver begging for help? 10 weird signs of liver damage in seniors. This is the video your body wants you to watch. The liver is a silent worker. It doesn't scream for attention. It cleans your blood, processes nutrients, breaks down medications. And yet, when it starts to fail, it often whispers in the weirdest ways. Today, we're uncovering 10 strange, easy-to-miss signs that your liver might be in trouble. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, this information could save your health or your life. Number 1. Your sense of smell changes. Imagine walking past a bakery and the scent of fresh bread makes you nauseous. Or worse, you stop smelling things altogether. Liver dysfunction can lead to ammonia buildup, altering olfactory senses. People may report odd or metallic smells or an inability to detect odors. Eleanor, 73, stopped smelling her morning coffee. Her doctors thought it was age. It was liver toxicity. Number 2. You wake up with intense itchiness, but no rash. You scratch and scratch, but there's no rash, no bug bite, no allergy. Liver issues lead to bile buildup under the skin, triggering unexplained pruritus, itching, especially at night. Number 3. Your breath smells sweet or musty. A strange sweetness on your breath. Not from mints or gum, but from your body. A sign of fetor hepaticus or liver breath, caused by toxins bypassing the liver and entering the lungs. Your liver is the body's bouncer. When it stops checking IDs at the door, bad guests slip into the party. Number 4. Bruising more easily than usual. A soft bump leads to a purple patch. You don't remember hitting anything, but the bruises keep showing up. The liver makes proteins that help blood clot. When it fails, bruising becomes common and unexplained. Number 5. You feel bloated often, but only in the upper belly. Not your stomach, but right below your ribs. A strange pressure, a tightness. Liver inflammation or ascites can cause swelling in the upper abdomen, creating discomfort or even pain. Number 6. Your hands turn red for no reason. Bright red palms, no sunburn, no hard work, just red and warm. Palmar erythema is often linked to cirrhosis or hormonal imbalances triggered by liver issues. When the hands redden, it's not just circulation, it could be inflammation from within. Number 7. You're always cold, even in warm weather. You're wrapped in blankets while everyone else is fanning themselves. But your blood tests are normal, so what's going on? A sluggish liver can slow down metabolism and affect thyroid hormone conversion, leading to temperature sensitivity. Number 8. Your fingernails change shape. Are your nails curving downward or becoming unusually wide and flat? Clubbing or spooning of nails can indicate chronic liver disease and low oxygen levels in the blood. Number 9. Spider veins on your chest or face. Tiny red lines that look like spider webs appearing out of nowhere on your chest or cheeks. Known as spider angiomas, these are caused by estrogen buildup in liver dysfunction, often more visible in seniors with fair skin. You start to slur words or forget names, not just senior moments. It's deeper. Confusing names, slurred speech, mood swings. Hepatic encephalopathy, a dangerous condition where toxins affect the brain due to liver failure. If it sounds like dementia, but doesn't act like it, don't overlook your liver. To recap, here are the 10 odd signs you should never ignore. Smell changes. Itchy skin at night. Sweet or musty breath. Easy bruising. Upper belly bloating. Red palms. Feeling cold. Nail shape changes. Spider veins. Mental fog or slurred speech. So, what do you do if you recognize these signs? Get liver function tests, ALT, AST, bilirubin. Avoid alcohol and fatty foods. Watch medications, many are processed by the liver. Eat liver-supporting foods, leafy greens, garlic, turmeric, coffee in moderation. Ask your doctor about screening for hepatitis or fibrosis. Reminder: you are never too old to catch something early. In fact, it's exactly why you should. The body doesn't always scream when something's wrong. Sometimes it whispers. Those whispers might sound strange: a weird itch, a forgotten name, a red palm. But if you listen carefully, they could be the clues that help you stay strong longer. Protect your liver, protect your life. Share this video with someone you love. And if you'd like more health insights tailored to seniors, don't forget to subscribe.